So let's get to it with the first of my repeating segments, bird. Why bird, you ask? Well, my lawyer said calling it word was a trademark violation. And tonight's bird is the dodo. As in, what sort of dodo would ignore the World Health Organization? The WHO is the world's first line of defense against pandemics. In fact, it's the only international early warning system for infectious disease. Ignoring the WHO because you don't like the result is like ignoring a fire in your house. And cutting funding for the WHO during a pandemic is like not paying your car insurance during winter. Look, blaming the WHO for not getting your attention early enough is like blaming the fire department because they didn't stop you from deep frying that turducken disaster after you watched the video on the internet. And morons elevating a Google search over the scientific genius of a worldwide medical network deserve to be locked in a stadium with all the other idiots until they've proven correct every theory Darwin had. So if at least 50% of your cases haven't recovered in your area, then it's too soon to open. And if the WHO says you wear a mask, put a damn mask on. Also, if the WHO says wash your hands for 20 seconds, start counting! And if the WHO says stay 6 feet apart, then do it! And stop being dodos, unless you want to end up just like them. And that's tonight's bird.